Hello, everybody. This is Mike from MBoxWave.com. This morning, I just got into a position on the Emini S&P. All right, so I'm going to go through the analysis and then we'll see what happens. So markets opened up, a little bit ago here. I got in right around here. I saw this double algo. We had a Stooges buy and a pullback buy. Right. So the biggest thing that I saw going into this trade was the effort, no result right here. Absolutely huge in my opinion. Because, look at this box here and look at how much supply there is here. Look at this box is it's quite a bit smaller and it spent like over 3 times the amount of supply, the selling, and it didn't make as much progress. So that's the first thing that got me interested in this chart. But I waited until I saw an entry, and I saw the entry. Um, when I saw this double algo here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start writing this up, and then I'll go through the take profit and stop loss. So we got the MBox supply. It's a huge effort, no result scenario. All right, so we saw this, on the side of demand. I consider this. We are seeing demand, right, and ease of movement. The way I'm looking at this is this spent so much effort. We went back up. This box is not as long, but it spent a lot less, and we popped right back up here. So to me it looks like ease of movement plus initial demand. So MBox ease of movement plus demand. All right, so we've got that here. Well, we've got this, we've got the double algo here, right? Got the double algo. Let's get the here, double algo. Okay, it looks like we're going up. We're about $500 in profit. All right. Yeah, S&P is not moving as volatile as the NASDAQ these days, but that's all right. What else did I see? At this point here, I see a supply drop. All right, so we got that supply drop. All right. It's not that I didn't see a huge pace of offers, but the pace of bids drops. So I guess in this analysis, there's a lot of more on the supply dropping with the effort, no results. So we got a pace of bids drops, right? And at the time of the trade, well, the cumulative delta began to contract. So if we look at this, the cumulative selling, begins to contract, and it's continuing to do so. So that's good. So selling contracts. All right, and the other thing, also look at this, minus 115, minus 543. So it spent like 5 times the amount of selling this wave here than this, but it's not. It's about the same. It's not 5 times longer. So I call this a wave effort, no result. All right. So thing is, I saw a lot of this struggle, huge struggle on the side of the bears and the selling, and that's what prompted me to enter the position. I did like that I saw this initial ease of movement plus demand. I'm hoping to see more demand come in. So initially I set my stop under the swing point right after I entered. And my take profit, well, this is a congestion zone here, and I kind of want to, I'm looking at like this as a congestion zone going forward, right? And the thing is, right, so we saw that, you know, supply became exhausted. I'm seeing initial demand, but I don't see huge demand yet. So I may move this take profit if I see, you know, demand spikes up here. If there's enough demand, then I would be more confident that it breaks through this congestion zone. But right now, I'm keeping my take profit here because I don't see enough demand in the MBox Delta or in the cumulative buying. I don't see enough here buying or demand, you know, to raise this profit. But maybe we'll see it. So, you know, if we count the points of Confluence here, let's see what do we got. We've got this. Oh, there's another thing I want to point out here. We have a MBox buying balance here. It's a tiny bit red, but it's up, so there's more buying than selling, even though price moved down. So I'm going to add that to the chart. So right here, it's a tiny MBox buying balance, but it's there, so it counts. Box buy imbalance. All right, so let's see, what do we got here? It's got the wave effort, no result. That's one double algo. That's, you know, 2 points. So we're at 3 points. We have a Stooges buy and a pullback buy. We have the MBox ease of movement. That's 4. We've got this initial demand. That's 5. Right. We have the MBox supply huge effort, no result. That's 6. We have a supply drop. That's 7. MBox buy imbalance. That's 8. Kira selling is contracting. That's 9. And pace of bids drops. That's 10. So it looks like we might be getting another signal here. If that sticks, I probably would get in. So I gotta watch this closely. But while we're waiting for, you know, the market to move, so while we have the 10 points, which I love having 10 points of Confluence, I don't see, you know, strong demand right now. So that's why for now I'm going to leave the take profit where it is here. You know, I would like to see some more demand, but I think for now the position is fine because of this huge effort, no result, and we had a supply drop and we had these algos fire off with the cumulative selling contracting and the pace of bids contracting. Look, in the pace of offers, we are right here. We are beginning to outpace the bids, so I think that looks okay. I just would have liked to see more demand in the picture. All right, so if this makes another higher high, we'll have another confirmed set of double algos here. I guess I'll want to catch this on video since it looks like it could be happening. Plus, I would need I'd like to have another add-on as well. So let's see, is it gonna see the wave? Okay, there it goes. You see a wave turned from orange to gray, which means our signal here, double signal, is confirmed. All right, so now I've got two positions, 20 contracts in, so we got a double algo here and another double algo here. And another double algo here. All right. So, I mean, usually when you have the effort, no result, and then demand drops, usually you have a pretty good reversal, but this reversal at the time being doesn't seem as strong because you see the demand is sort of lacking, but I'll keep my take profit where it is. Doesn't look like I will be raising it, but I guess we'll see. If that changes, I guess I'll put the video on record, and if I end up moving my take profit, I'll get that on video then. So I'll put the video on pause and come back when we have something more. All right, so we're back. I just hit my take profit here. Let's get the order fill. All right, so I'm out, made $5,875 in profit. So that's a good day for me. I made I like to make $5,000 or more for the day, so that's good. It looks like, remember I was saying that I'd like to see more demand here, so that's why I did not move the take profit. We saw this strong, strong up bar, some strong price action here, but it didn't come with MBox demand. We have now crossed over to cumulative buying, but I would like to have seen some stronger demand here, And the other thing is, we went 159, that's good, 136, so, it was slightly less. Oh, maybe demand is coming in now. So, well, that's just the way it goes. Anyway, I'm happy with today's result. That's fine. And probably some people are going to ask, what about this? We got a pullback sell, I got an up thrust sell. Well, these signals I wouldn't pay attention to due to the supply drop. Cumulative selling contracting, pace of bids drops, right? We're always looking, is the glass half full or half empty, right? And we got to decide which side has the pulling power. So when I saw the ease of movement with the initial demand, with the supply dropping, and this double algo, to me it looks more bullish than bearish, and so that's why I got into the position here, made the add-on here, wrote it out to the, to take profit, which was in the congestion zone, and that's it. So, that's it for me today. The struggle between buying and selling, supply and demand is always at work. So watch out for, when you see these effort no results. I'm always looking for them because they usually give good trades. So that's it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.